Hello and welcome to Beae. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the most essential functions in Beae, which is icon. I have already created 3 icons. Now I'm gonna add one more icon to complete my section. It's very simple, you just need to choose the icon and drop it to your page. So I will change the icon image. You can choose your own image or using our free image icon. I'm gonna choose money protection for my payment secure, and you can add your link over here. You're setting your link by the way you want, and come to design part. We're gonna change the alignment into center, and I will change the size of this icon. So as you can see over here is 36. Okay, I'll change it to 36 inch the color. Okay, and we're gonna add the background color, and I'm gonna remove the border. I'm gonna change the border into blue color. Okay, so you can see when you click on this button, it will appear the green, and I'll change it into the blue color. So this is the end of my video, and remember to turn on your notification so that you won't miss out any interesting introduction or tutorial videos from Beae.